Adding a link to your Instagram bio is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your profile's functionality. First, open the Instagram app and navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once there, click on the Edit Profile button. In the designated website field, paste the link you want to share. This could be a link to your blog, a product page, or any other relevant content. After pasting the link, make sure to save your changes by tapping Done or the checkmark icon. Now, your bio will prominently display the link, making it easily accessible to your followers. Remember, you can only include one clickable link, so choose wisely. Consider using link shortening services or link aggregators if you want to share multiple links. This simple addition can direct traffic to your desired content and engage your audience more effectively. Stay up to date with Famety on social media. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.